Well, with the front bumper being all painted on my truck, it made the rear bumper look like crap. So, decided to paint it up instead of fluid filling the frame. Fluid filling the frame, do that in a couple weeks. Already got a gallon of it, so just got to do it. Started on this when I got home from work. Stripped everything off the bumper. I sanded it down, wiped it down with acetone. I put up cardboard and blue painter's tape to protect the back of the truck. And I've got 2 coats of Rust-Oleum rusty metal primer on it. There was a little surface rust, so that's why I did the rusty metal primer. I'm going to give it until tomorrow or Wednesday to dry, and then I'm going to give it another light sanding, blow it off with some compressed air, and put 4 coats of silver on it. Going to be using the same silver that I did the front bumper with. And here's the primer I used. As I said in the last video, it's not a show truck, it's a work truck, so goal here is just to make it look a lot better than it was, protect it from rust, keep it going. So once I start shooting some color on it, I will give you guys an update, so see you then. Well, it's Tuesday afternoon after work. It's actually right around 5 o'clock in the evening. When I got home from work about 20 minutes ago, I put the first light coat of silver on after just scuffing it up. Just scuffed it up with one of these Scotch-Brite pads. Then I just took an air hose and I blew the dust off. So, in about 5 or 10 minutes, we will throw the second coat of silver on. I've got an appointment to go to that's about half an hour away. And so once I get home and have dinner, we'll be putting the final 2 coats of silver on. And then probably tomorrow, what we'll be doing is just putting everything back on the bumper, unmasking it, and we'll see how it looks. So I'll see you once I have all of the silver done and it's dry. What's up, everybody? Just finished putting the 4th coat of silver on the old Ford bumper. Looks awesome so far. We're gonna give her until tomorrow after work to dry, then we'll unmask it and reinstall everything on the rear bumper, and I'll see you guys then. Again, I just used that Ford Silver Frost from Duplicolor. 4 coats of it, like I said, with 2 coats of that rusty metal primer, with light scuff in between coats with that Scotch-Brite pad, and followed by blowing off with air. Again, it's not perfect. We're not bringing this truck to Pebble Beach, so I'm happy with it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. What's up, everybody? I got the old Ford back together after work tonight, and it looks awesome. Only took me, I don't know, 20 minutes to put everything back on. It's not perfect, but it is a whole hell of a lot better than it was. Just give you guys a walk around now of how it looks, and I'll do a couple of pictures, you know, before and after, and doing the priming too. So I'm gonna take her to work tomorrow. Just letting it run for, I don't know, probably let it run for about 5 more minutes. Just topping off the battery. But I think the truck looks awesome now. I'm not gonna have the body or anything painted. Thing is if it looks too nice, I'm not gonna want to drive it and risk scratching it. So over the winter I may end up doing this body work here, fixing the rust over the wheel wells, and the really only other major rot is driver's rocker panel. It does need a rocker panel. You can see it's pretty much gone. So watch for videos of that, possibly over the winter, who knows. Until next time, guys, see ya.